Solution Clean Clear Skin. Oh wow, I am so dyslexic. It says clear skin system, not skin clear, whatever I said. Let's try that again. Hey everyone, what is going on? I am back with a new video, and today I'm going to be doing a haul. So let's see what I got inside the box. Not gonna lie, I did already open it. Okay, so since this is the first one on top of the box, I will start off with this one. So this is Acne Solution Clear Skin System. It comes in 3 parts. First is deep clean, second is unclog pores, and third is treat and clear. I've never tried this before, so hopefully I like it. Let's just open it up and see what's inside. I mean, it shows what's inside right here, but I feel like opening it. Okay. I opened it upside down. So this one's the first bottle here. And then this one's the second. And this little tube is the third. 3 steps to clean and clear skin. So this one is a foam that I'm gonna assume you just rub all over your face. And then this one is clarifying, this is a clarifying lotion, but it's liquid. Lotion liquid. Okay. So this one, it says shake generously until powders dissolve, but I don't see any powder. So I'm assuming they're already dissolved. All right, well, we gonna see how that goes. I'll get back to you. So this is all over cleaning, clearing treatment. Apply twice daily or as directed by healthcare practitioner. Okay, so this next one, I did already use it once. So this is a clay purifying mask. It is a glass bottle casing. ASMR, you know, just listen closely. Okay, so I can open it for you. It's literally just green gook that you put on your face and it dries up. I mean, I used it once. It says to leave on for 3 to 5 minutes and then wash your face off. I'm still not sure how I feel about it. I mean, my skin felt the same before and after, so I'm gonna have to give it another shot and see. Okay. And then the next one is this. Okay, I already opened this too. I am so sorry. I just couldn't wait. So this is the Tarteist lip paint, and I'm wearing it right now. It's birthday suit. I actually have it over here. Okay. So it's literally the birthday suit that they give you for your birthday. I think it was like 2 years ago Sephora gave this to you for your birthday, and I liked it so much that I had to get the full bottle because I already finished the little bottle and I wanted more of it, so I got more of it. Basically that. Okay, and then next is this Rogue gift, I guess, since I'm a Rogue member now, you know, no biggie. You had a choice between this and something else, but I got this one. It's quite fluffy and soft. It's a brush. It's a Sephora Pro mini brush. It's actually very soft. So all y'all that want this brush, go become a Rogue member or just buy it. It comes in a cute little polka dotted case though. So, ASMR. That is so loud. Anyways. So I got this new Anastasia palette. I actually have not opened this one up yet, so let's all take a look at it together. Oops, just threw that on the ground. Okay, so this is basically the same as the Modern Renaissance palette. See, like this material, I get real dirty though. Like, look at that one. Mmm, yum yum. Yum yum yum. But I mean, it'll be pretty for a little bit at least until I dirty it I honestly forget what even shades are in this because I actually ordered this so long ago that like I forget how it looks. So, okay, I see you. Get that out of there. So we have the top row is shimmers and the bottom row is mattes. The color scheme in here is very pretty. I mean, I'll probably use most of these colors, so that's a good thing. Then it comes with a brush as well. Oh, this one is much softer than the Anastasia Montage Renaissance brush. The other one was like very prickly. And this one's nice and soft. I like it. Okay, next is, and again, I forget what is in all these because like I don't remember when I ordered it. Okay, so this is the Violet Voss, the Rainbow Eyeshadow Palette. So it's gonna be rainbows. I'm like excited because like I forget how it looks and it's like, what is it? Let's find out. Okay, I'll show you first. That's good. There's a casing over it. Okay, I saw it before you. Sorry. Okay. So there's that. It's literally a rainbow palette. This is amazing. This is amazing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so all the shades are shimmer shades, which I mean I'm fine with. We can deal. You can see how it goes. Some of these colors actually go with some of these colors. You know, like I can use the mattes in that palette and the shimmers in that palette. And you know, the world goes round. And then I'll just get all these boxes out of my face. Okay, so next I got these three Huda Beauty little mini obsession palettes. Okay, so that's just like my way home. I'll show you again because there was a glare on it. There's so much garbage. Okay, so so that is how they look. Blue, reds, and greens. You know, diamond is a girl's best friend. Okay, so in this one, oh, I love like this like yellow in the corner here. That'll be fun. And it's a matte as well. So those are the shades in that one. So this is the Sapphire Obsession palette. The next one is the Ruby Obsession palette. And it's literally like red, maroons, brownie colors. Very pretty. And the next is the green one. I mean, I don't usually do green makeup on myself, so that'll be very interesting to see how it turns out. I'm like kind of excited because like I don't know if greens go with my face or not. I guess we'll find out. Okay, and then next I got the, I know this one's like really old, but I have like all the other ones except the Heat palette. So this is the Naked Urban Decay Heat palette. Oh, it's in another thing as well. So much garbage. And this one also comes with a brush. Okay, so those are the colors there. Oh, bye brush. Bye. We didn't like you anyway. Just kidding. I don't know if I like. Yeah, these colors are obviously I'm gonna use them. Oh, obviously. Let's be real. Yeah, these are like my day-to-day colors. Like I use these all the time. So there will be use out of them. And another brush, which is soft. I actually saw, I don't even remember the name of it. It's by Naked. It's a new palette. It's like peachy, rosy colors. I want that one too. I want them all. So I guess that's my next one I'm gonna be getting soon, hopefully. Hopefully Chipotle. So that's basically the end of my haul. Oh, and I did just like pick this one up the other day, if that counts too. It's just the Bad Gal Bang mascara. I know I already have this one, or had this one, but I ran out, so I needed to get another one. This is probably my new favorite mascara so far. Yeah, before it was like a drugstore brand. I don't even know if I have it in here. That one used to be my favorite, but like it would run dry real quick. Like I'd say like in 2 weeks. Like you'd have to buy a new one every 2 weeks, or you're just cacata. So this one is better. And I do go through this one quite a bit because I probably use it like almost every day. I wish I had more to show you, but I don't. Oh, actually, I can do this now. Yeah, sure, let's do it. Let's show it. Okay, so there is one more thing I can show you. This next one, it's like very non-makeup related. I mean, it could be your makeup, like your makeup of yourself. So this is the ANCESTRY.ca DNA test. I'll open it up now. This is a struggle and a half. Okay. ASMR. Welcome to Ancestry. Welcome to AncestryDNA. Step 1, activate kit online. Step 2, gather DNA. En français, bonjour. Bonjour sur AncestryDNA. Okay, activation de kit en langue. I have no idea if I said any of that right. French, English. Okay, so basically you activate, and then on your, I guess there's gonna be a strip in there, and on it, you spit. You spit right in there, and then you place the funnel with cap, because you don't want your saliva transferring in the mail, just spilling on everywhere, right? And then next, shake the tube for at least 5 seconds. This will ensure your sample mixes thoroughly with the stabilizing solution so our lab can be best processed first sample. And then you're gonna place the tube in the collection bag, and then you're gonna mail it on out. So basically, from what I know, I am actually, no. I'm not gonna say anything. We're gonna wait, and then I will show you. First, I will tell you, and then I'll show you, but we're gonna have to wait. So this is a insert cap tube into bag. Oh, inside this bag is another bag. Oh my God, oh my God. Okay, so in the bag, you're gonna put the tube, which is, so there's that. So you spit into that, and that's the solution that you're gonna mix in with your spit. No postage or stamp required. I think this is just like the box, yeah. So this is the box that you mail it out. Don't forget to activate. So I have to activate it before I mail it out, or else I can't get my DNA, and I wasted my money. I think there is a sale going on actually right now, and they are $99 a kit, if I'm not mistaken. I think I got mine for $80. There was a sale when I got this, and that's how much I got it for. But I think there's another sale going on now. So if you're interested in finding out your background and like where you come from and stuff, I mean, go on over to Ancestry.ca and, you know, pick one up. I think it said that when they mail it out to you, or when they don't do that anymore, okay? There's computers these days. So online, once your DNA results already, I think it said it takes up to 6 weeks for it to be like processed or whatever. And then online, it can tell you up to like the region, the city that you're from, like your background is from, like if your saliva is that good, you know? So who knows what they're gonna say for me. I mean, it also says they can connect you with like people around the world if they've done the DNA test. So most likely not. But you never know. So people might have done it, say in, and then you know, oh look, I have a cousin there that I never knew. So that'll be very interesting to find on out. Alright, so I guess I'm coming to a close in this video. I'm so sorry, but don't worry, I will be back with more. So don't forget to leave comments down below letting me know if you have any of these products, what you thought of these products, what you want me to do with these products. Like if you have any makeup looks you want me to do, just let me know. I'll probably do them. If you've tried any of the skin products, let me know what you thought about them, if they worked, if they didn't. Also, if you've done the AncestryDNA test, let me know down below what you thought, if it was like a crazy result or anything out of the ordinary. If you thought you were like one thing but was something totally different, like that would be insane. I'm very excited to find out what my DNA will be. I like have an idea because like I know, but like you never know. So yeah, leave comments down below and give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos. And until next time, my lovely